a sad story, taking comprehension. The sad story of my peacock. I used to have a pet peacock called Miru. I loved him very much. My father told me that peacocks were very useful. Useful. They eat the worms, slugs, insects, and other pests that spoil the crops. Our village has lost of large fields around, and Miru used to wander in them all the time. In the evening, he would come back home and dance beautifully. One says evening, Meru did not come home. I was worried, but about him and wanted to search for him. I thought someone that trapped him. Miru might have found a fields of my father. You see, movement. Tomorrow he will come back with her. I did not sleep for a moment that night. As soon as it was morning, we started searching for Miru. I went to his favorite tree. He was not there. I went to the bushes near the pond. He was not there. Then I went into the fields. I called Miru. He did not come. That I whistle, but there was still no Miru. A farmer was plowing his fields. What are you looking for, Sebula? He asked. My pet peacock, Miru. I said. He did not come back to last night. Have you seen him anywhere? A peacock I shot one last night. Peacock, because I like eating peacocks, he said. He was the peacock wearing a silver ring on his foot. I asked tearfully. Yes, he was, replied the farmer. Oh my poor Miru. I started sobbing, he used to dance so beautifully. I cried and cried. My eyes were red, and the farmer wanted to console my me, but could not stop crying. crying. Then the farmer said, I am sorry, little boy. I promise near to soul it a peacock again. My view was that, but at least other children's peacock in my village were now safe.